Hi guys, my name is Josh and this is my dad.
Hey guys.
And in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts, and I want to give a big shout out to Jayson Casper right here. He's got a really good channel. He's a very awesome trader. Make sure to go check him out. He'll be in the link in the description below. And he has a really awesome course that teaches you about trading and using Market Cipher and all these other different indicators. And we've started the course, so make sure to check him out.
Guys, if you hear the frogs in the background, we're kind of out in the country, and tonight the frogs are especially loud, so you can probably hear the frogs in the background. But we're in the house, and you can hear them very clearly. So, all right, you want to start on the chart here and tell them what you're seeing?
Sure. So right here we got green money flow. Looks like it's starting to come up a little bit. If you can see here, it looks like it's kind of clipping and going up. The VWAP is coming down, but it's kind of flattening. Good. So that's good. And the RSIs are red and pointing down here. And
so it looks, we've pumped a fair amount in the last day, and it looks like we're coming down a little bit, and hopefully we're just taking a little breather and go head back up again. So one of the things we learned in the Jayson Casper course that helped us to know that we were going to come up and then that we were going to come back down. So right here you got a low, and then a higher low in the momentum, but then here you have a low and a lower low in the price. So it's called a divergence. So when they don't match, then normally they're getting ready to reverse. So the price was coming down, but the momentum was coming up at the same time. And then next thing you know, we pumped. And then here on the top side of that, we had a high, a lower high, and a lower high. And here we had a high, a higher high, and a higher high. So again, the price was coming up, momentum was going down. They were doing opposite of each other. So it meant that we were getting ready to change direction again. So I actually got in a long down here at 32 something and rode it up. And then, like I say, this was showing us, hey, it's getting ready to change direction. So waited for it to start changing direction and closed out trade. So some cool indicators we're starting to learn from Jayson, and we're going to keep on learning them and share. But definitely check out his channel, and his course is well worth it. It's not that much money either, so definitely worth checking out. All right.
Okay. Let's go to the 4 hour. Here on the 4 hour, we were up in green money flow for just a small second. Then we went back down in red money flow, but hopefully it looks like we're going to be coming back up in green money flow pretty soon. VWAP, it came down. It's pretty flat here. RSIs are green. It's pointing down. Go to the 12 hour. On the 12 hour, the RSIs are green. It looks like they tried to come up here, but then they went down. Same thing with the VWAP. It came up, but coming down. Still above the zero line, though. The money flow is pretty thick here, but the momentum, we had a green dot, and it's starting to come up here. Let's go to the day. On the day, the RSIs are green, pointing down again. VWAP is up and kind of flat, pointing down just a little bit. We had a green dot here, small one, but the momentum's coming up. Let's go to the weekly.
So this is probably one of the more exciting charts here to show what's going on in the bigger time frame. So what are you seeing here on the bigger time frame?
The RSIs are red. They came down, but now they're really flat. We've been in green money flow for a long time, but it's thickening a lot here. VWAP was down, but now we're coming up, cutting up here.
So it's looking like big time frame weekly. We're probably going to print a green dot here soon, and pretty much you can see every time we've printed a green dot that we've had a pretty good rise. So that would have been this rise here, and here would have been this rise here. So that went from 9,000 to 12,000. The one here went from 4,000 to 11,000. So these are pretty big moves when you get these green dots here. So hopefully we're going to be rounding out, printing a green dot, and heading back up. So the short term looks like we're coming down a little bit, but it's looking like long term we're probably going to be turning around. So anyway, what do you think, Josh? Anything else you want to tell everybody?
Yep, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure to check out Crypto Face's channel and Jayson Casper's channel. And make sure to check out Market Cipher that we were looking at. Great technology. All these indicators tells you what's going to happen. It's so amazing. So make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye, guys.